So today I'm going to show you how I remove rust from some used bumper plates that I bought from Facebook Marketplace. Here's what I'm talking about. These plates right here, super awesome, super cool CSU plates, but they had a little bit of rust inside here when I first bought them, which is not good because I have a beautiful Ohio power bar here and I don't want to get the sleeve all rusty. So here's my solution. Okay, so right here, this is what we're going to use. We have Barkeeper's Friend. That's what's going to get the rust off. We have some dish soap. That's just to kind of give the rubber a little scrubbing down as we're cleaning it. We have orange rag. That's what we're going to use the Barkeeper's Friend with to scrub. Do not use steel wool. Use a rag. And then we have a sponge, and that's for scrubbing the rubber too. And a towel for drying. I'm going to show you a little before and after here. This one is untreated. You can see all the rust in there. That's not cool. This one has been treated. As you can see, a lot better. Now I'm not trying to get them perfect here because as you can see, you know, they're old, they're cracked. This is just kind of a quick, easy little rust removal and cleaning of the plates so that they don't mess up your barbell faster. I'm gonna take my rag, get it a little damp in the water bucket, and just kind of work it around in there like this. And so I've already done that a little bit, and as you can see, I already got a good amount off. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this on the rag and continue to basically just do this for a long time. I'm not gonna film myself doing it the whole time because I need both hands, but basically I'm just gonna work this rag around the inside and a little bit around the ring here to get this rust off too on both sides. This is after a few minutes of scrubbing. As you can see, it looks way better in there. I'm gonna go at it for a few more minutes just to get it really good. I'm sure if I wanted to, I could sit here all day and get it really, really nice, but I'm just trying to get it good enough to where it's not getting rust on my barbell. This is after maybe 5 minutes or so of basically I'll sprinkle some Barkeeper's Friend, scrub for a while, let it sit, rinse it, and then repeat. I've done that like 3 or 4 times so far, and it looks a lot better, but I'm gonna do it a couple more times just to get it really good. And here is after. As you can see, it looks much better. Pretty much rust free. So that's what we want.